Cooking tongs are essential tools in any kitchen, offering the perfect blend of control, safety, and convenience when handling hot foods. In this guide, we've rounded up the 5 best cooking tongs that stand out for their build quality, ease of use, and versatility, perfect for both home cooks and professional chefs alike. Number 5. Small Silicone Tongs 7-inch Mini Serving Tongs, set of 3, black, gray, white. About this item, chef-quality stainless steel, Hinmei Mini Silicone Tongs are made from a thick stainless steel for unbeatable strength and premium construction, and feature a ring pull locking system which is made to last, an on stick, heat resistance and dishwasher safe. Hinmei small serving tongs are manufactured from a premium 100% food-grade silicone that won't scratch your non-stick pans or grill grates. Number 4. KitchenAid Stainless Steel Utility Tongs, 12-inch. About this item, stainless steel construction, these tongs feature a high-quality, 430 stainless steel frame, lock tongs when not in use, featuring a convenient locking mechanism provides the versatility to securely store the tongs in a drawer or in a crock. When the lock is not engaged, these tong arms should spring open freely at a 30-degree range, convenient size, these tongs measure 11.57 inches. Number 3. Hotech Premium Stainless Steel Locking Kitchen Tongs with Silicone Tips, set of 2 to 9-inch and 12. About this item, top quality, Hotech kitchen tongs are constructed with high-quality stainless steel, sturdy, heat resistance, anti-rust, anti-corrosion, lightweight, easy to handle, like new forever. This tongs for cooking comes with 2 sizes, 9-inch and 12-inch. Food safe, carbon-free certified. Number 2. Jetkong 2 PCS 12-inch Kitchen Tweezers Fine Tweezer Tongs, extra long stainless steel cooking tweezers, silver. About this item, durability material, easy on your hand, Jetkong kitchen tweezers are made of high-quality food-grade stainless steel, resistant to rust and corrosion, non-toxic, uncoated. Dishwasher safe. The thickened kitchen tweezers are very sturdy, tough and durability, while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. Ergonomic design, our cooking tweezers design with comfortable ergonomic shape. Using a comfortable handle, long cooking tweezer to protect your movements. The tip blunt enough to be safe to touch or even press, and holds the food securely, minimizing the risk of food slipping and sliding. Cooking tongs are essential tools in any kitchen, offering the perfect blend of control, safety, and convenience when handling hot foods. In this guide, we've rounded up the 5 best cooking tongs that stand out for their build quality, ease of use, and versatility, perfect for both home cooks and professional chefs alike. Locking mechanism and pull-down design, perfect metal kitchen tongs for cooking. Our food cooking tongs feature a pull-ring locking mechanism that gives you better control when using them, and can be quickly unlocked by simply pressing the pull ring. Better avoid metal cooking tongs accidentally open or close. When locked, you can use the pull ring to hang on the wall or put in the drawer to save space.